Imagine a world with just one massive landmass, surrounded by a single vast ocean. A place where the horizon stretches endlessly and the concept of separate continents is non-existent. This isn't a scene from a science fiction movie, it was our Earth, millions of years ago. This supercontinent called Pangaea existed long before the continents as we know them today. It was a time when the Earth's surface was a single, unified expanse of land, surrounded by a vast, singular ocean. Pangaea was a truly remarkable sight, a colossal landmass that dominated our planet. Imagine the sheer scale of it, stretching from pole to pole, a giant jigsaw puzzle piece where all the continents were once connected. Think about that for a moment. All the land on Earth fused together, a land where ecosystems thrived, and life evolved in ways we can only imagine today. It was a time of incredible geological activity, with tectonic forces constantly at work, shaping and reshaping the land. The supercontinent of Pangaea was a dynamic and ever-changing landscape. Picture a world where dinosaurs roamed freely, unimpeded by vast oceans. They traversed this enormous landmass, migrating across what we now know as separate continents. Fossils found today tell the story of these ancient creatures and their incredible journeys across Pangaea. It was a land of immense biodiversity, where life flourished in ways that continue to fascinate scientists. This is the story of Pangaea, a tale of geological drama, a testament to the incredible forces that have shaped our planet over eons. It reminds us of the ever-changing nature of Earth and the powerful forces at play beneath our feet. The Earth's surface is in constant motion. We might not feel it, but the continents we live on are slowly drifting, moving at about the same rate as your fingernails grow. Over millions of years, these tiny movements add up to massive changes. Around 300 million years ago, these drifting continents collided, merging to form the supercontinent Pangaea. This process, known as plate tectonics, is driven by the intense heat within the Earth's core. Picture these giant landmasses drifting towards each other over millions of years, eventually colliding with unimaginable force. These collisions thrust up mountain ranges, some of which still exist today, like the Appalachian Mountains in North America. How do we know that Pangaea actually existed? The answer lies in the rocks beneath our feet. Geologists have found identical fossil remains on continents now separated by vast oceans. For example, the fossils of Mesosaurus, a freshwater reptile, have been found in both South America and Africa. This creature couldn't possibly have swum across the Atlantic Ocean, proving that these continents must have been joined at some point in the past. Furthermore, the geology of continents now far apart shows remarkable similarities. Mountain ranges in North America, for instance, line up perfectly with mountains in Scandinavia, indicating that they were once part of a single, continuous range. Pangaea's existence had a profound impact on life on Earth. With all the land connected, animals could migrate freely across vast distances. This led to a homogenization of species, with similar plants and animals found across the supercontinent. However, Pangaea's massive size also resulted in extreme climates. The interior of the supercontinent was likely a vast desert, scorching hot and dry. The coastal regions, however, would have experienced a more temperate climate. This variety of habitats, from lush forests to arid deserts, fostered the evolution of new and diverse species. Pangaea, though long gone, played a key role in shaping the biodiversity we see on Earth today. Section 5. The Great Breakup, Pangaea splits apart. Around 200 million years ago, the forces that brought Pangaea together began to reverse. Cracks appeared in the supercontinent, and slowly, over millions of years, Pangaea began to break apart. This process, known as continental drift, continues to this day. The pieces of Pangaea drifted apart, propelled by the movement of the Earth's tectonic plates, eventually forming the continents we recognize today. As Pangaea split, new oceans formed between the separating continents. The Atlantic Ocean, for instance, was born from the rift that split North America from Europe and Africa. Section 6. Drifting continents, the legacy of Pangaea. The breakup of Pangaea had a dramatic impact on life on Earth. This monumental event set the stage for the world as we know it today. The separation of the supercontinent into smaller landmasses created new environments and challenges for the organisms living on them. As the continents drifted apart, populations of plants and animals were separated, leading to the evolution of new species. Geographic isolation played a crucial role in speciation, as isolated groups adapted to their unique environments over millions of years. The separation of land masses also led to the development of unique ecosystems and habitats. Rainforests, deserts, tundras and other biomes emerged, each with its own distinct flora and fauna, contributing to the planet's incredible biodiversity. The continents continue to drift today, albeit very slowly. This ongoing movement is driven by the forces of plate tectonics, which constantly reshape the Earth's surface. The Himalayan mountains, for example, are still growing as India continues to collide with Asia. This collision is a powerful reminder of the dynamic nature of our planet. The Earth's surface is a dynamic, ever-changing environment, shaped by the forces of plate tectonics. Volcanic eruptions, earthquakes, and the formation of mountain ranges are all results of these powerful geological processes. Understanding Pangaea and the process of continental drift helps us comprehend the distribution of plants and animals, the formation of mountain ranges, and the occurrence of earthquakes and volcanoes. This knowledge is crucial for predicting future geological events and for understanding the history of life on Earth. Section 7. The future of Earth. Will the continents reunite? If the continents are constantly moving, will they ever collide again to form another supercontinent? Scientists predict that in about 250 million years, the continents will come together once again to form a new supercontinent. This future supercontinent, sometimes called Pangaea Ultima, would have a profound impact on the planet's climate and the evolution of life. However, these are just predictions, and the Earth's future is ultimately unknowable. The Earth is a dynamic planet, with its surface constantly changing over millions of years. The story of Pangaea is just one chapter in the long and fascinating history of our planet. Section 8. Conclusion: Pangaea's impact on our planet. Pangaea, the supercontinent that once dominated our planet, might be long gone, but its legacy lives on. This colossal landmass, which existed during the late Paleozoic and early Mesozoic eras, was a unique configuration of Earth's continents. It brought together almost all the landmasses we recognize today into a single, vast expanse. Its formation and breakup shaped the continents, oceans, and life on Earth as we know it. The process of Pangaea's assembly and subsequent fragmentation was driven by the movement of tectonic plates, a phenomenon that continues to influence our planet's geology. The story of Pangaea is a reminder of the incredible forces that have shaped our planet over billions of years. Volcanic eruptions, mountain formations, and the relentless process of erosion and sedimentation are all part of this grand narrative. It's a story of constant change, of creation and destruction, a testament to the dynamic nature of Earth. The collision and separation of tectonic plates have given rise to majestic mountain ranges and deep ocean trenches, sculpting the Earth's surface in ways both dramatic and subtle. The next time you look at a map, imagine all the continents fitting together like a giant jigsaw puzzle. This visualization helps us appreciate the interconnectedness of our planet's geological history and the ongoing processes that continue to shape it. Think about the incredible journey these landmasses have taken over millions of years, and the forces that continue to shape our planet today. From the drifting of continents to the rise and fall of sea levels, Earth's story is one of perpetual transformation, driven by the same forces that once brought Pangaea together and then tore it apart. Section 9. A final thought. The Earth is a truly remarkable place, a planet teeming with life, shaped by forces both powerful and subtle. As we continue to explore our planet, we uncover more secrets of its past, gaining a deeper understanding of the processes that have made Earth our home.